Hello my dear student, welcome back to the class. You all know that in previous class we have started exercise 1.4, isn't it? So in today's class we will continue that. You know that we have completed till question number 4, alright? So from in today's class we are going to continue with number 5, 6 and 7, alright? As I have already told you in the previous class that in today's class we are going to continue with 5, 6 and 7. Alright, so let us start with number 5 question. So number 5 question state that the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. Alright, the question is quite lengthy and quite tricky one, but it is very easy, and when you understand the question you will be able to solve it properly. Understood? So that's why I request you all to see the question properly, read the question properly, then you will be able to do the sum. Okay, so the temperature at 12 noon, noon means at day, that is afternoon, 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius, above 0, right? It was above 0. At 12:09 the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius, if the temperature decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour, that is in 1 hour the temperature is decreasing 2 degrees Celsius, that is minus 2, alright, until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? So at what time? Okay, at what time you have to calculate the time in which the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0. Alright, so this is the first question. Another question we have is, what would be the temperature at the midnight? Midnight means 12 AM at night. It is 12 PM in day, right? Daytime. And at midnight, what would be the temperature that we have to calculate? At first we have to calculate at what time it will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0, and another question is at midnight what will be the temperature. So let us solve for the first question, that is at what time the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0. Alright, so student, this is the overall question. I have not written the full question, I have written the point here. Okay, whichever is the important point, the very important one I have written here. Okay, just try to understand. Temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius, that is above 0. Why it is above 0, that I'll explain you. Okay, you'll be clear with that. If temperature decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, okay, you have, and another thing mentioned in the question is temperature is decreasing at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. Alright, so now you have to find, what you have to find is at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius. So at what time the temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius, that is below 0. Okay, so let us solve this. Step by step we have to solve it. Do not jump in any, do not skip any part of the video. Alright, otherwise you'll not be able to understand it. Alright, so go through the video properly. So let us solve. Let us write solution according to the question. ATQ, according to the question, temperature at the beginning, temperature at the beginning, that is at 12 noon, that is 12 PM, isn't it? 12 PM is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. 12 noon is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. Alright, so now we have to find, what you have to find, at what time the temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius. Now we have to calculate one by one. The temperature at 12 noon is this. Now another points given in the question is the rate of change of temperature, isn't it? The rate of change of temperature. At what rate the temperature is decreasing or increasing? It is decreasing, isn't? Decrease means minus, so minus 2 degrees Celsius per hour. At 1 hour after 1 hour the temperature is decreasing by -2 degrees Celsius. So at 12 p.m. or 12 noon the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Alright, so this is the number 1. Number 2, temperature at 1 p.m. will be how much? At first it was 10, right? So we have to calculate the temperature plus -2, or we can directly minus it. It is 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 degree Celsius. Now you will say, sir, we got the answer. But remember, in the question it was mentioned that below 0. So in the first class, that is while introduction, I have explained you number line, right? In the number line above the 0, that is when you count 1, 2, 3, that is positive integer, right? That is above the 0, right? And below the 0 was there negative, isn't it? So that we will consider below the 0, below 0, and this is above 0. Alright, so there is the biggest point. So in the question it is given at 12, it is 10 degrees Celsius above 0, that is it is plus 10, and you have to calculate the temperature at 8 degrees Celsius but below 0, that is minus 8 degrees Celsius you have to find. But we got this plus 8. So this is not that, this should not be the answer, isn't it? We have to get minus 8. At what time the temperature will be the minus 8? So number 3, temperature at 2 p.m. is equal to, now it is 8. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 degree Celsius. Alright. So similarly we will go on like this. Temperature at 3 p.m. is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 degree Celsius. Now 5, temperature at 4 p.m. is equal to 4 plus minus 2 is equal to 2 degree Celsius. Alright. So it's better you will put plus sign here. Temperature at 5 p.m. is equal to, now it is 2 minus 2 plus actually minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 degree Celsius, isn't it? Do the step in a clear and a proper manner, okay? Do not jump in any step, otherwise you will face a problem, okay? You will get confused. Temperature at 6 p.m. is equal to, now 0 minus plus minus 2 is equal to 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2 degree Celsius. Okay. Now 7, 8. Temperature at 7 p.m. is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 degree Celsius is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 4 degree Celsius, isn't it? So number 9. Temperature at 8 p.m. is equal to minus 4. From where this minus 4, minus 2 are coming, you must be knowing. Alright. So minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 6 degrees Celsius. Alright. In number 10, temperature at 9 p.m. is equal to minus 6. It is minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 degree Celsius. So this is our destination. We have to get at what time the temperature will be minus 8 degree. That is, it was not mentioned actually in the question. It was not mentioned minus 8. It was mentioned below 0. That is the biggest hint given in the question. Alright. Below 0 means minus 8. So in a number line, when you look a number line, below the 0 is a negative integer. So it should be negative integer, and above the 0 is the positive integer. That's why our 10 degrees Celsius is here positive of 10. Alright. So we got this answer. At 9 p.m. the temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. I hope this is the clear one, easy one, right? This was quite lengthy, but it is understandable, isn't it? So let us proceed to second part of number 2 question of question number 5. So this is our next question, of number 5, sorry, second part of the number 5. What would be the temperature at midnight? So according to the question, we can write that at 12 p.m. temperature was 12 p.m. means, or we can write 12 noon. The temperature was how much? It was 10 degrees Celsius, right? Positive of 10 degrees Celsius, that is above 0. All right. So change now we have to find is at midnight. Midnight means 12 a.m. isn't it? At night, this is at daytime. At daytime, when it is 12 noon, we will consider it as a PM, and when in night time, most of the students get confused with that. So why PM at daytime? You must be knowing that, isn't it? This is a part of geography. You must be knowing from since the kid we used to say this. All right. So this is the fact. So at night time it is 12 a.m. So we have to calculate what temperature will be at night time, that is 12 at midnight, isn't it? So this is our first step. This is the question. According to the question, it states that at 12 p.m. at date it is 10 degrees Celsius. Now we have to find the temperature at 12 a.m. isn't it? So let us write the temperature at midnight, that is at 12 a.m. right? Change, that is what we have to find, the temperature at midnight, that is at 12 a.m. So change in temperature in 12 hours. 12 hours, why? Because from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. it is 12 hours, no? It is 12 hours, alright? So from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. it is 12 hours. The time is 12 hours. So change in temperature in 12 hours is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius, because the temperature was decreasing by minus 2 degrees Celsius into, for how many times? For 12 hours. So the answer is minus 24 degrees Celsius. Change in temperature is minus 24 degrees Celsius. Alright. So at midnight temperature will be at 12 p.m. the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius, right? And at 12 a.m. the change in the temperature will be 24 degrees Celsius. So 10 minus 24 is equal to minus 14 degree Celsius, isn't it? Right? So therefore at midnight temperature will be minus 14 degrees Celsius, or you can write temperature will be 14 degrees Celsius below 0. This is the temperature, isn't it? Temperature at midnight. You can directly write minus 14 degrees Celsius, or you can write 14 degrees Celsius below 0. Okay, this is another way to understand. So I hope you are clear with this question, right? You have to find the temperature at 12 a.m. The question was given that at 12 p.m. it was 10 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature was decreasing, no, by minus 2 degrees Celsius. So from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. there is 12 hours. So what is the change in temperature? That is 24 degrees Celsius. The actual change is 24 degrees Celsius. So actual temperature will be now 10 plus minus 24 is minus 14 degrees Celsius, or temperature at midnight will be 14 degrees Celsius below the 0. I hope you are clear with this. So let us proceed to the next. So student, this is question number 6 of exercise 1.4. Alright. So question state that in a class test, alright, in a class test, this type of sum we have done in a previous class also. 2 to 3 sums we have solved, so it should be clear to you people. Alright. So in a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. Plus 3 marks for every correct answer and minus 2 marks for every incorrect answer. Okay, are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. Remember, plus 3 marks for every correct answer and minus 2 marks for every incorrect answer, and there was no marks for not attempting any question. Alright, so using the concept of this, using the idea of this, we have to solve. Number 1, Radhika scored 20 marks. Alright, Radhika has scored 20 marks if she has got 12 correct answers. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly, sorry. Radhika has scored how much? 20 marks. If she got 12 correct answer, how many marks she attempted incorrectly? That means if there was 12 correct answer, then 12 3 is 36. She should have scored 36, but she got only 20 marks. That means what? She also has attempted incorrect answer. For that, minus 2 was given to her. So that we have to calculate how many question was incorrect which was attempted by Radhika. Okay, so let us solve this. So student, this is the overall question. Plus 3 marks was given for every correct answer, minus 2 marks for every incorrect answer, and 0 marks for not attempting any question, isn't it? So using this, we will solve. Radhika scored 20 marks. She got 12 correct answer. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Alright. So let us solve this. We will write Radhika scored how many? Radhika scored 20 marks, isn't it? So then total marks awarded for 12 correct answer. For 12 correct answer, how much she should get? Actually 12 into 3, because for one correct answer she was getting 3 marks. So for 12 marks, for 12 correct answer, she is going to get 30 marks, 36 marks, isn't it? Similarly, okay, marks. So to find how many questions she has attempted incorrectly, to find that, marks awarded for incorrect answer is equal to, let me write here, total score minus total marks awarded for 12 correct answer, isn't it? So marks awarded for incorrect answer will be, what was her total, what was her score, what she got, that is 20 marks, minus total marks awarded for 12 correct answer, isn't it? So is equal to 20 minus 36 is equal to minus 16. So that is the actual marks awarded for incorrect, no? So if you calculate roughly, so 36 marks she was supposed to get, but she got only how much? 20 marks. That means it is 16, no? That means 16 marks is lacking. So for 16 marks is, that means 16 marks, how many incorrect answers she has got? That is 16 by 2 is equal to 8 answer. So roughly is that, we will consider that, isn't it? But if in a statement wise, if you have to do, you will do in such a way: total score minus total marks awarded for total correct and 12 correct answer. So the number of incorrect answer made by Radhika, that is what we have to find. This is what we have to find, isn't it? So minus 16 divided by minus 2. For each incorrect answer, minus 2 was awarded. So for the number of incorrect answer made by Radhika is equal to minus 16 divided by minus 2. What we were doing before. Minus minus cancel. 2 8 is 16. So how many incorrect answer? Number of incorrect answer is 8 roughly. We got this, isn't it? So this is the way to do. Alright. I'm making you explain again. Total marks awarded for 12 correct answer was 36. Suppose if there was no marks for incorrect answer, then C was supposed to get 36. Alright. Okay. So for marks awarded for incorrect answer is total score, what C has scored, minus total marks awarded for 12 correct answer. Alright. Total score, why? Because after deducting, C got 20. Otherwise, if there was no minus marks for any incorrect answer, C used to get more than this, isn't it? So 20 minus 36 is minus 16. Marks that minus 16 was awarded for incorrect answer, because 8 answer was incorrect. So 8 into minus 2 is 16, no? So minus 16 C got it. So but we don't know still how much incorrect answer C made. In this way we will find it. Minus 16 divided by minus 2. Why minus 2? Because minus 2 is for each incorrect answer. Alright, I hope you are clear with this. So let us proceed to the number 2 question of question number 6. So student, this is number 2 question from question number 6. Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test. Alright, she scored how much? Minus 5 marks. Though she has got 7 correct answer. Though she has got 7 correct. 7 correct means 7 3s, it should be 21, no? 21 she should have got, but she got how much? Minus 5 marks. So how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Okay, on a similar way, we'll try to solve. Okay, so let us solve for this. Okay, solution. What was the score of Mohini? Mohini scored how much? Minus 5 marks, isn't it? So then total marks awarded for 7 correct answer. She has got 7 correct answer. No, for that to she has to get 7 3s is 21 marks, isn't it? She should have got this, but she got only minus 5. That means she has attempted more incorrect answer than the correct answer. That is clear with this. Alright. So how to find marks? On what manner we have found in the previous sum. On a similar way we are going to solve this also. Incorrect answers is equal to total score minus total marks awarded for how many? 12 correct answer, isn't it? So what is her total score? Her total score is minus 5. And what is her total? 12. Oh, extremely sorry, not for 12. It is for 7 correct answer. So minus, it is 21. It is minus 26. So she got minus 26 marks extra for attempting incorrect answer. So for incorrect answer, she was awarded how many marks? Minus 26 marks. Okay. So now what we have to find? We have to find how many number of incorrect answers she has attempted. That we have to find. The number of incorrect answers made by Mohini is equal to minus 26 divided by minus 2, isn't it? So minus 26 by minus 2 is equal to 13 question. Okay, how many questions? 13 questions she has attempted. That is why she got -5 at the last. Alright. 13th question was not the correct one, it was the incorrect one. That is why she got -5. Okay. Student, don't be like Mohini. Be clever, study, practice. Okay. That's why. So that you will get more proper marks, not like Mohini. Understood? So students, we are over with question number 6. So we have last question from exercise 1.4. Alright. So let us solve this one also. The question number 7 state that an elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. Alright. If the descent start from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach -350 meter? That means it is starting from the above and it is going down. Descends means to go down. Elevator, you know what is elevator, right? In your mall you have saw it is going up, down. So the elevator is descending or moving down into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. Alright. And remember this question, at the rate of 6 meter per minute it is moving. Okay. So if the descent start from 10 meter, if the descent start from 10 meter above the ground level, that is from the 10 meter the elevator is starting and moving down. Okay, it is moving down. How long will it take to reach -350 meter? Okay, it is below the ground level. All right. So the movement of the elevator is below the ground level. So it is to how long you have to calculate the time to reach -350 meter. Okay. So let us solve question number 7. So this was our question from question number 7, right? So an elevator is descending into a mine shaft. Here is your elevator, which is in the ground level, right? At 10 meter above the ground level. So this elevator is moving down, and that is descending. Descending means to move down. That is below the ground level. Okay, below the ground level it is moving, and it has to reach 350 -350 meter below the, that is why -350. You know that in number system below the 0 was your negative integer, isn't it? It was negative integer. So similarly this is your negative integer. Alright, this is the negative integer below the ground level, that is it is descending. If you go down it is descending, if you move up it is increasing, isn't it? So according to the question, the elevator is descending into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If descent start from 10 meter, okay, so if that is the descending is starting from the 10 meter, all right, so the initial height of the elevator will be, according to the question, the initial height of the elevator is equal to 10 meter, right? It is not -10, it is at 10 because it is at the positive side. Okay, but the descending started from the 10 meter. Now the counting will be in negative side. You can consider this as a 0 origin, or the origin side. Okay, center. So now when the descending started, the negative side will also be counted. Okay, all right. So the final depth where it has to reach, final depth of the destination of the elevator is -350 meter. Now you came to know why minus is there, because it is descending downward, that is below 0 it is moving. Whenever we are moving below the 0, we are going to put negative of integer, isn't it? That's why -350 meter. All right. So there are two distances, isn't it? So 10 it has started from 10 and it has to reach -350. So we have to find the total distance. There is a distance, right? There is a distance gap, so we have to find the total distance. The total distance to descended by the elevator. All right, by the elevator, the total distance it has to get descended is starting minus 350. Okay, minus 350 minus 10 is equal to minus 350 minus 10 is equal to minus 360 meter. Alright, so the total distance which elevator has to travel is 360 meter. So at what time, or the time taken by the elevator, okay, to reach that particular distance we have to find. Okay, so then according to the question we can say that time taken by the elevator to descend minus 6 meter is equal to 1 minute. It is given in the question the rate of this mine shaft, the elevator is to reach into mine shaft is 6 meter per minute. That is within 1 minute it is moving. It is descending how much? Minus 6 meter. Minus 6, why? Because it is moving down. But in the question it is not mentioned minus 6. We have to mention minus 6 because it is moving, it is descending down, right? So it is 6 meter per minute. So that's what I have written here. Then time taken by the elevator to descend minus 6 meter is equal to 1 minute. Okay. You can write minus 1 minute also. So similarly we have to find for minus 360 minute also. Meter, sorry. Time taken by the elevator to descend minus 360 meter is equal to how much? If it is, the rough calculation will be like this: for within 1 minute, within 6 minute meter, it was taking 1 minute. For 6 minute, sorry, not this is making me confused. You don't get confused, okay? This is 6 meter will be for 1 minute, okay? So for 360 minus 6 minute minus 360 meter is equal to 1 by 6 into 360. This is the overall calculation. All right. So what we have to do is minus 1 minus 360 divided by 60. We can write like this. So minus it is. Okay. So minus 360 divided by minus 60. It is 6 meter. So it is here is 6. So minus minus gets cancelled. So 660 is 360. So it is 60 minute. 60 minute means 1 hour, isn't it? So this is one of the way to solve, or just I have mentioned here how to solve this. For 6 meter, it has to take 1 minute. Within 1 minute, it is descending minus 6 meter. All right. So for minus 360 meter, it has to descend 1 by minus 6 into minus 360 meter. So minus minus gets cancelled here, and 6 1s are 6, 660. So it is 60 minute. You can do another way also. This is also the other way to do. Okay, 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. So the time taken by the elevator to descend 360 meter minus 360 meter is 1 hour. Why it is not 350? Because there is a total total distance to descend by the elevator is there. We have to find, for that you have to find the total distance traveled by the elevator, that is downward. So minus 350 minus 10 is equal to 360 meter. Alright, I hope you are clear with this. So student, we are over with question number 7 also. Alright, if you have any doubt, okay, you can just repeat the video. Okay, just see the techniques, see the process, how I am doing, listen to the explanation properly. As I have mentioned, do not jump or do not skip any part of the video. Alright, so see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and practice a lot. Okay, thank you everyone.